Number two, they say Ayla appreciates DOS's engagement on issues relating to agency tools and technology. Below are some questions. They get into the aspect of if you're dealing with the consular systems and technology, essentially, there's a system where if you're going to register your website, I'm sorry, website. If you register an applicant for an NIV or IV appointment, you got to go and do stuff, but there's always problems with the technology there. It's not working. It doesn't recognize you. Won't let you log into this and that. And they say we fixed it. We're making all this. I just want you to they haven't, because let me read this. We have discussed this question because of the issues and contacting people how to if let me back it up. Sorry, it might be driving people crazy hearing me talk like this. I think I had too much coffee. So Ayla, people are asking, hey, could you create just one email inbox so we could complain about that? And they say, we discussed this question since it's been raised previously, and I'm not currently considering creating a dedicated inbox or point of contact. So it's very frustrating because if you had to deal with this, each embassy and consulate has its own registration page, and they have a contact us page, and each time is different. It could be a feedback button, or it could be an email address you send. But let's say, for example, you send the email to the email address they sent. You're dealing with, let's say, Serbia, for example. All of a sudden, you'll get a response back from the U.S. consulate in India saying you contacted the wrong person. And you're like, wait a minute, the email says Serbia in it, but it's coming out of India. And you deal with this stuff. It's very, very frustrating when it happens. Secondly, when you explain what the issues are, if you get to the right people, they don't really understand what you're talking about. And one thing I've found really helpful, I want to share is, if y'all don't use Loom, I'm sorry, Loom, Loom, you should, because that's been really helpful. I do a recording of what the problem is to explain it, where a link is not working or something's not working. And instead of going back and forth 7 times over 10 days, they'll get it the first time.